At the moment, I like the level 1 and level 2 shorts. It's what we've been concentrating on for me. It suits my style of training. But there's so many other things that I'm looking forward to learning about as well. But they're the strategies I'm concentrating on mostly at the moment.
Through my mentorship, we have decided find the most suitable one, match with my lifestyle, which at the moment, I'm a momentum trigger guy, I would say, because I do swing trading and trend predictor on weekly.
At the moment, I'm focusing on the momentum trigger. I'm still halfway through that.
I only trade one strategy. That works for me. But for me, I need to be a bit more disciplined really and just stick to one. Maybe when I get a bit more experience, then I will look to adding more. But at the moment, one works for me.
One of the biggest learning is that I'm not worried about the individual trade. I'm looking at the overall, looking at say a month, looking at a week, looking at okay, how many out of 10, but also the probability. So I might lose 6 trades, win 4, but the profit I'll make in those 4 outweighs the loss I made in the 6. So once you understand that, you don't get too disheartened by a losing trade.
But I understand them all. But in terms of actually trading them, I only trade like 2 or 3 at the moment, and I'm looking forward to, as I progress, maybe adding a few more in and seeing how that goes, but right now, keeping it simple.
And we have a couple of strategies. At the beginning, I made a mean mistake as other people as well. So I try to absorb as much as possible, trading every single strategy and in every single market. But now I'm trying to stick with a few markets that I know, the few, just like 2 strategies that I'm really good at or are getting into it, and I find it more confident.
At the minute, I'm only trading with the momentum trigger, obviously PTS, and trend predictor. The others I've had a look at, I've obviously learned about them, but I'm feeling that at the minute I need to master the first 3 first before I even start cracking on with the rest, because unless you've mastered the basic ones, there's no point getting involved in the higher ones unless you know what needs to be done.
Yeah, storyteller, momentum trigger, and just the PTS. Again, keeping it simple at the moment because simplicity works.